Alright, so for this visualization, I created two calculated fields called xbin x and xbin y. And then I created a parameter called density, and I set it to 250, as you can see here. Then I drag xbin x to the column section, then I drag xbin y to the row section, so it could distinctly show the price for each average pizza slice throughout New York City. Then I set the colors of the average price to orange blue divergent, so it could like distinctly show the highest price. This one is 653. This one is 550. Like the highest prices, the lowest prices are in like blue or whatnot. Now for this visualization, I drag the date to the column section. Then I drag the style to the row section. Then I drag the average price to the row section. After that, I set an average. I set an average line so I can get the average price for each pizza slice between pepperoni and plain over the course of 8 years. Now for this last visualization, I drag the date from the table section to the column section here, and I set it to yearly. Then I pull the date from the table section again, put it into the row section, and then set it to monthly, so it could now show each price of each pizza slice over the course of 8 years for every month in New York City.